Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. I am Ashwarya Saxena, and in this series of data analyst interview question and answer, I am going to give you detailed explanation to help you prepare for interviews. There are going to be multiple types of questions which are going to be very important and useful for the interview purposes. I will be covering journal questions, technical questions, case based questions, tool specific questions, advanced concept questions, scenario based questions, and many more. So stay tuned till the end because this is going to be really very interesting series, and this is the first part in which I am going to cover 10 important interview preparation questions which are necessary to be gone through for data analyst interview. Let's start. First part contains general questions. Question 1. What does a data analyst do? A data analyst collects, processes, and performs statistical analysis on large data set to identify trends, patterns, and insights that support decision making. They often work with the tools like Excel, SQL, Python, or R to visualize and interpret data. You will be easily getting the Python series on this channel itself, so please check the description for the link of the playlist. Question 2. What are the key skills required for a data analyst? So, there are so many skills which are necessary for being a good data analyst, but I am telling about some important. Strong analytical skills, proficiency in data tools like SQL, Excel, and visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, programming knowledge in Python or R, understanding of statistics and probability, data cleaning and processing skills. Question number 3. Explain the difference between structured and unstructured data. Structured data, organized and stored in row and columns. For example, relational database, that is RDBMS, which is actually in the tabular form. Unstructured data lacks a preferred format. For example, it could be in the format of text, image, videos, etc. Question 4. What is data cleaning? Why is it important? Data cleaning involves identifying and correcting errors in the dataset, such as missing values, duplicates, or outliers. It ensures accuracy and consistency, improving the reliability of analytical results. Question number 5. What are some common challenges in data analysis? Incomplete or missing data, handling outliers, ensuring data privacy and security, combining data from multiple sources, communicating findings effectively. Technical questions. Question number 6. Explain the difference between a primary key and a foreign key in a database. Now, when we talk about the concept of primary key and foreign key, these are basically related to the database management system. And when you are talking about the data analysis, so that is very important to understand about the DBMS part. So, when we talk about the primary key, it is a unique identifier for each row in a table, and foreign key is a field in one table that refers to the primary key in another table to establish a relationship. So in a relational database management system, that is RDBMS, which represents the data in the tabular format, row column combination, these concepts are very much used. Question number 7. How do you handle missing data in a data set? Remove rows or column with missing data. Impute missing values using mean, median, mode, or prediction models. Use interpolation for time series data. Question number 8. What is the difference between inner join and outer join in SQL? So, inner join returns row with matching values in both tables. Whereas when we talk about the outer join, it includes unmatched rows along with matched rows. For example, left, right, full outer joins are present. Question number 9. How do you identify outliers in a dataset? Using statistical methods like the Z score or IQR, that is interquartile range, or visualizing data with box plots or scatter plots. So when we talk about the scatter plot, that is concept which is included in the matplotlib. with the help of matplotlib module, you will be easily able to understand more about the scatter plots. The link for the matplotlib module is present in the description. You can just go through the playlist for better understanding and the practical applications also. Question number 10. What is normalization and why is it important in databases? When we talk about normalization, organizes data to reduce redundancy and improve consistency. It ensures efficient data storage and retrieval. So I hope these questions which I have discussed in this video are clear to you. In case you have any query related to it, you can definitely ask your queries in the comment section below. And the related playlists like DBMS, Advanced DBMS, Python, Machine Learning, all those series I have attached in the description or I button. So please check them out because they are going to be really helpful for understanding the concepts from the basic to the advanced level. So see you, stay tuned, see you in the next video, and we will be covering the remaining types of questions in the series. So take care and do not forget to subscribe.